Hey, nice to meet you. Have you ever thought about investing in automation and what you can expect from this? I think what comes into mind first is higher productivity, of course. But you also can expect higher quality because the robot will always repeat the same movements with the same accuracy. So overall, a higher quality. But before making this decision, you have to put some thoughts into it. Let's assume you're a small or medium-sized industrial company, so far only manual welding. And now you get some bigger orders. If the quality demands stay in the same range and just the numbers of components go up, this would be ideally for a so-called collaborative robot, or also called cobot. You're afraid that your welders will not manage to do the programming? No worries. It can be learned in hours, not in days or weeks. You're also worried about the investment? You shouldn't. Investment range of these cobots is in the area of 50 to 80,000 euro, depending on the details. What's also important is that the footage of these cobot systems and the energy demands are also quite low. So that's a quite easy decision. On the other hand, if you have a bigger industrial company, if you have really huge orders, very high quality requirements, this is the time to invest in an industrial robot. Of course, the investment costs will be higher in the range of maybe 50 to 150,000 euro, depending on the requirements, but also the accuracy of these industrial robots is much higher than with the cobots. Of course, you need more learning time for the programming, but with the bigger orders you could afford that. A third thing is that you do also something for your welders, because your welders will not have to do this quite tough job of manual welding all day long. They give their expertise in programming the welding power source and the robot, and will be relieved from the heavy physical load that occurs during the manual welding. So also some good points for your welders. So finally, if you think about it, about these requirements that you have, and then you make the right decision for the right type of automation, the right type of robot, then for sure you will get what you expected: higher productivity and higher quality. I hope I could also convince you.